Reliable delivery partners like Lalamove help streamline your delivery operations and guarantee punctual order fulfillment. In this video, we'll show you how to pre-assign Lalamove riders to scheduled orders from Sapaad.Online and eliminate worries on the actual delivery day. Let's begin. Let's start by configuring the preparation time for our online orders. On your Sapaad POS, go to Setup, Partner Integrations, then Online Platform Aggregators. Navigate to Logistics Partner and locate Lalamove. Go to the Settings page and proceed to the specific locations where you want to configure your kitchen's preparation time. Next, find the Preparation Time option and set the number of minutes that align with your kitchen's preparation time for online orders. In this instance, if an online order is scheduled to reach the kitchen at 2 p.m. and it takes approximately 22 minutes for preparation, you'll have an estimated pickup time of 2:22 p.m. After configuring the settings, click Save. Next, go to the Delivery Manager and select Home Deliveries. Then, select Scheduled to see all your scheduled orders. Locate the order you wish to assign a Lalamove rider to. And under the Driver column, click on Assign Delivery Partner. In the Select Your Delivery Partner pop-up window, select Lalamove to handle this order. Once the order is prepared for delivery, simply click Mark as Ready. When the driver has picked up the order, you'll automatically see it under the Delivery in Progress tab. The Delivered tab will automatically update with the order once the driver completes the delivery. What's even better is that you can follow the same process for scheduled orders from your CRM and food aggregators. And there you have it. Now you know how to assign Lalamove riders to your scheduled orders from Sapaad.Online. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.